Hey Fragrance family, I am back with my should I upgrade it or not? This is where I review 5 travel sprays because I'm trying to save money, y'all, and I'm trying to test things out before I buy a full bottle, or at least use my travel spray before I purchase a full bottle. Trying to do better. So this is where I take 5 travel sprays that I recently purchased, and I review and let you know if I think I would upgrade it or not. Let's talk about it. This one here, I am very excited to get into. This is Ariana Grande's Cloud Aurora, and I am so excited about this. Y'all, I smelled this in the store, and it's an absolute upgrade. So much so that I have like Ulta points, and I want to upgrade it now. Let's smell it. I don't know why I like this. First of all, I like the Cloud line. I actually really like the Cloud line. This is absolutely upgrade worthy in my opinion. It is, I will put the notes on the screen. Y'all, this is musky but sweet, marshmallowy almost. It's beautiful. Absolutely upgrade worthy. I want to upgrade it now, but I'm going to wait because I'm trying to do better. I don't know if you can see it, but the bottle is iridescent. It's just very, the word that everybody talks about is very ethereal. So I really enjoy this one. To me, this one and then Cloud Pink, my favorite of that line for sure. So if you have not tried this, I highly recommend it. If you watched my video where I go into Ulta and I'm sniffing fragrances, you will see that I fell in love with La Vie Belle's new fragrance, Belle L'Elixir. This one here. Y'all, this is so good. And I'm going to be honest, I did not fall in love with the La Vie Belle line, but this fragrance is so yummy. I'll put the notes on the screen because I'm trying to go quicker with you guys. But yeah, this is good. Yes, to me, this is kind of almost a boozy, winey, like it gives me sexy night vibes, wine, booziness. It is good. Do I think that I need to upgrade it right now? No, but this might be my favorite from the La Vie Belle line. This is just for me. I never really got into the La Vie Belle line. And so this is really good to me. I think I would definitely upgrade it, but am I going to upgrade it now? No, I have some things that are a little bit ahead of this one. The next one is Mugler's Alien Pulp. And again, this is another one that I smelled in the store, and I love this one. And to me, it is upgrade worthy. At one time I had 3. And so I am definitely, I like this line, and this one is probably my favorite. I don't know why I like this, but it's so yummy. Again, I'll put the notes on the screen. It is so good. Absolutely upgrade worthy. I got a few things that I will put in before I upgrade it, but this is definitely at the top of the line. This one here is Good Girl Jasmine Absolute by Carolina Herrera. And I am so tired of these flankers. So I am trying this one out with you guys. I'm over the Good Girl line. So I think that, let's see. I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm gonna put this one on my hand. It's okay. I don't need a full bottle. I got it because I really enjoy Jasmine, but this is just okay to me. I can't say that I'm wowed by it. It's not bad, but it still has that good girl DNA, but with a little bit of Jasmine. It's a little bit more muskier. And the Jasmine in here is pretty, but again, I think I'm just over all of the flankers, but it's not a bad one. I would give this like an 8 out of 10, but for me, I don't feel like I need to upgrade it. Last but not least, this is Lake and Skye's 1111 Lychee. Now, I have fallen in love with Lychee fragrances. And so I was like, you know what? Let me try this one out. Now, I've smelled this before, but it's been a while. So I thought I would try it again. You gotta spray Lake and Skye on skin to get the real vibe. So let me spray this. This is pretty. This is definitely a lychee skin scent, like it's your skin, but it has the lychee in it is going to elevate it a little bit. Do I feel like I need to upgrade it? No, but I think that this is a non-offending, pretty fragrance. I don't have anything bad to say about it, but I don't think I need it in my collection at this time. Okay, guys, that is it. These are my 5 travels, and definitely a yes to the Ariana Grande. Definite yes to the La Vie Belle. And I would say yes also to the Mugler. This one I love the most out of these 5. and I want to upgrade it right away, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to be a good girl. And once I use this up, then I will consider upgrading it. So, okay, guys, thank you for your time, and keep watching because you'll be surprised how many travel sprays I have because I honestly enjoy doing this. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.